Good morning. Happy Wednesday, class. Before we get to our big read today, we're going to take one more objective in our small book. We're in our small book, page 85. It's the page right next to persuasive articles that we worked on yesterday. Remember, persuasive articles, the author wants to get you to think like they're thinking, what their opinion is on a topic. They want you to have that opinion. Well, suffixes. What's a suffix? A suffix is just a word part, and it comes at the end of the word. So we have a couple things. They're called affixes. And that's a big category with two things under it, suffixes and prefixes. Suffixes come at the end of a word, prefixes come at the beginning. Knowing some common suffixes can help you figure out the meaning of unfamiliar words. Look at the suffixes below. So we have these at the end of a lot of words, and it's ly. So for example, the word slow, you add ly, slowly, and it's done in a way of, which means I'm going to walk slow. Okay, done in the way of. If it's related or belongs to. So we might have the word relate, and then we might change it to relative. And that would mean a person who's related to you, or they belong to you. And then the last one we're going to look at today is full. Full of or characterized by. All right? So if I'm helpful, that means my character is that I like to help other people. I'm helpful. So we're going to keep this book close. I'm going to move it to the side. You can use those suffixes to help you figure out unfamiliar words. In your packet today, you have this short worksheet, and I'm going to modify this worksheet. First of all, it tells us to underline the suffix, and then it says write a definition and then write your own sentence. We're going to just write our own sentences rather than definitions today. So we're going to cut that out. I didn't think we could fit it in the space they gave us. So let's do number one. Helping can truly make a difference in a lot of ways. And the suffix would be your ly, truly. And remember, that means done in a way of. Helping can truly make a difference. And so that would be in the way of doing something for other people. So can we use truly in another sentence? Truly. Well, I went on an awesome vacation last summer to this little lake way up north. And there was barely any people, which was good because we were in the middle of this pandemic, and so we got to stay in this little tiny dinky cottage. It was way smaller than a house. You may or may not like something so small, but we got to go on this lake where there wasn't very many people. I kind of liked private. It truly was relaxing. So that's what I'm going to put down. You think of something you can put truly in a sentence. I went up north for a vacation this summer. It was truly relaxing. So I used the word truly in my sentence, and it took me 2 sentences to get there. I'm going to do one more with you, and then I'm going to leave it up to you. Remember, no definitions, just this word in your sentence. The word is active. We should all be active and make a difference to better our community. Active. Remember, the IVE says relate to or belong to. Okay? Well, I love how active members of the church are in our community. I don't know if you knew this, but our church members put on Juneteenth Day. There's a big celebration in the street, and they cook all sorts of food, and the church members are active in helping out the community. I don't know if you know this, but Mr. Marquardt and some of our church members put on a big thing for Easter. It's called the Easter egg hunt. Maybe you've been to it. And they're active in our community. That means belong to or helping it out. Okay, so your assignment is to go ahead and underline the ly in gladly and the ful in grateful, and you're supposed to write a sentence with the word gladly in it. Probably I will gladly do my chores, Mom, would be a great sentence. And grateful, maybe you could think of a time when you were grateful, full of greatness for something that you received from somebody else. Okay, so it's assignment number 47. It's page 5, named at the top, and when you're done, back into your Wednesday folder. I'll catch you in the second video for our reading story for today.